have another lesson, and we're taking you through the woods of Mississippi, and we're going to learn more about videography, how to frame shots, how to create an interesting story, all coming up. The power of filmmaking and videography comes in the way that you frame a shot. And that means a lot of different things. The shot you're seeing right now is called an extreme close-up because I want it to be really personal in talking to you. A lot of people are afraid to have a close-up shot because they think they look funny. But an extreme close-up, which cuts off a little bit of the head, is a great way to get in really close for a shot and get really personal. Now, a normal news shot, I'm gonna pull this back a little bit, is usually something like the head and shoulders, which we call a bust shot. Now, this shot is called a medium shot because you see a lot more of my body. You see to the top of my head to about my waist. This is another kind of medium shot. So we have the bust shot, which stops right around here. And then we have the medium shot that goes from about the head to the waist. So I have a very special guest who's helping me out today, and her name is Sophia. She is 13 years old, and she is from Mississippi. So she is going to show you how easy it is to do a story. You don't have to have anything fancy around you. We're going to start out with a make pretend set, which is a location for her news story. And then we are going to move outside and just get video of her standing outside telling the same story. And this is what you can do. You don't have to have a fancy background. A lot of times an outdoor shot is beautiful. Just make sure that it's not too noisy. And sometimes when you're doing these kinds of shots, you want to off-center the character or talent for this particular type of shooting. So an off-centered would be kind of moving the person a little bit over to the side for the story. So they can either stand to the side or you can angle yourself so that you can kind of get them from the side. And often another way of doing shooting or framing of a shot is to put the person in the center. Center often is a way to just have direct focus at your audience. Whether it's with your camera or phone, to move left or right is called panning. Whether you're using a tripod or not, that movement, like I'm using a camera phone right now, left pan, right pan. Now when we want to move up or down, it's called tilting. So we can tilt the camera up and we tilt the camera down. And the effect that has is tilting up, tilting down.
Okay. What is going on over there?
Hello, welcome to our lesson on how to do a newscast, how to position your camera, and how to write a short news story. Often when conducting an interview, the talent needs to look away from the camera and at the interviewer. When writing a story, you need to tell the who, the what, the when, the where, and the why. And sometimes you need to explain how. For example, let's talk about our summer. Hi, my name is Sophia Layton, and this is a TVD show. This summer I went to Ocean Springs, Alabama, which is 2 to 3 hours from where I live, and it may seem far, but it's not. So we had to travel by car. I was there to celebrate a relative's birthday, and that's all from TVD News. Hi, my name is Sophia Lane, and this is TBD News. This summer I went to Ocean Springs, Mississippi, which is 2 to 3 hours from where I live. It might seem far, but it's not. And we had to travel by car to get there. I was there to celebrate a relative's birthday, and that's all from TBD News.
Well, you know, that's the jam.
This is how you pan right, and this is how you pan left. This is how you can tilt up, and this is how you can tilt down. Whenever you're done doing that, you can go to original position.